Hi, my name is Kylie DeCambry with United Real Estate Infinity. Today I'm coming to you guys with 3 of 5 vacant waterfront lots currently for sale by our brokerage. They are being listed by the wonderful Lee Christian, who is also local to the Cape Coral community. These 3 lots are a little under 1/4 acre, and I will be going over the individual listing prices of each parcel. Stay tuned. And a vast array of vacant land for potential up-and-coming properties to be built on. All right, so this is the second vacant lot that we have for sale. It's located at 1701 Northeast 13th Avenue, 65.5K. It is beautiful. It's in a already established neighborhood. Space for you to build your home, okay? All right, so for the third and final lot for today, which is located at 3310 Northeast 9th Place, it does need some clearing, okay? Not too much. Still located in a neighborhood where you can just set up all your utilities and septic. It is located right across from the Waterfront Canal. Why not make your investment here? If you need help, I can send people down payment assistance. Your dream could start here. All you got to do is make a call.